New trend alert. Stem cell clinics are popping up all around the country to treat a range of conditions from sports injuries to facelifts.
Yeah, the big question, though, do they work? Are they safe? Cher Calvin checked out one Beverly Hills clinic to see what this new medical craze is all about. Look at this.
I need I want to spin it down. Do you have any tubes here?
Stem cells are the basic building blocks in humans found in blood, bone, and fat.
And then this layer is the mature fat cells. There's more stem cells in here. We want to concentrate all of the cells here.
And at the Stem Cell Lift Clinic in Beverly Hills, it's the fat that Dr. Nathan Newman has been using to extract adult stem cells for over a decade to rejuvenate other parts of the body.
How much movement do you have?
A tear in my rotator cuff, and I did have 2 cortisone shots before I decided what I wanted to do, and the cortisone shots did absolutely nothing for me.
What did they suggest that you do? Surgery?
To have conventional shoulder surgery.
Instead of surgery, Susan opted for adult stem cell therapy, and her doctors, who wanted her to go the conventional route,
They did find that the tear had completely gone away and healed.
the theory being that your own stem cells will adapt to the new area and heal the problem area, such as Susan's rotator cuff or Rory's bone cyst, which left him nearly unable to walk.
I was off my feet. I had pain all the time. It was constant pain.
And here are the before and after pictures. What do you think of the change?
And Jackie's desire to have a more refreshed look without going under the knife. The procedure for both medical and cosmetic starts with a small extraction from a fatty area on your body.
They took out the fat to get the stem cells and then injected that in my face.
And without doing any kind of cutting or stitching, reshaped her face.
My face was a little bit stiff around the mouth. I sent him the picture of 20 years ago so he could see what the shape of my face was like. I feel like that's the results I got.
But what are the risks?
Major risk for the stem cell treatment is with like any other injection. Risk for bleeding, infections, but that rarely happens.
Why does this not need FDA approval?
But the FDA doesn't have jurisdiction on surgical procedures, which this is, just like hair grafting, just like skin grafting.
The procedures will cost between $6,000 to $12,000 depending on the complexity and is not covered by insurance. For Rory, though, he had only one injection.
I had my surgery in March, and I did a 10K in October.
A stem cell researcher at UC Davis told us to be sure, though, to ask about the doctor's individual training when it comes to stem cells and your disease. He says that every clinic is different and could use different techniques, actually, to prepare their stem cells. And he went on to say that there is no scientific proof right now that these type of treatments are actually effective, so be aware of that as well.
Another successful year.